Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Elements Mesh Office Chair. Features. This stylish chair has a striking slim profile designed to complement today's modern office workspaces. The tensioned mesh backrest accommodates users of different sizes and allows the air to circulate, keeping you cool and comfortable. The contoured seat pad is generously proportioned and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the thighs, aiding circulation. The single lever adjusts the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism on the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the height of the chair, and by pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will float freely. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The chair is fitted with height adjustable arms, which are adjusted via a twist handle, and comes with a sturdy 5-star nylon base with easy glide twin wheel hooded casters. Elements is supplied with a black fabric seat pad with a mesh backrest, offered in a selection of contrasting colours. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. The seat pad is fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 and the chair comes with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day. The UK's best price available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.